Hi, this is Info Redmi XIAOMI Redmi 12C and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first we should open the Play Store application and in the search bar we should enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this application, that's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. After that, tap to open the app, click Enable in Settings, near green Apple keyboard tap once on the swatcher, click twice to OK, then go back and click to switch input methods. Just switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard, tap on the swatcher, the process is finished, and now let's use the search to see the new look of our keyboard, and we can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 and all of the emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.